Stake Casino is a popular online gambling platform in India that offers a wide range of casino games for players to enjoy. To play Stake Casino in India, you first need to create an account on their website. This involves providing some personal information and choosing a username and password. Once your account is set up, you can deposit money into your account using a variety of payment methods, such as credit cards, e-wallets, or bank transfers. You can then use this money to place bets on your favorite casino games, such as slots, blackjack, roulette, and poker. Stake Casino also offers a live casino option, where you can play against real dealers in real time. This adds an extra level of excitement to the gaming experience. To increase your chances of winning at Stake Casino, it's important to familiarize yourself with the rules of each game and develop a strategy. It's also a good idea to set a budget for yourself and stick to it to avoid overspending. Overall, playing Stake Casino in India can be a fun and rewarding experience for those who enjoy gambling. Just remember to play responsibly and have fun.